Today we're going to be doing a basement clean out in Salt Lake City, Utah. At D-Junk we do basement cleanouts, we do attic cleanouts, we do crawl space cleanouts, we do storage unit cleanouts, we do pretty much anything you need us to remove, we can do that for you. We can do appliances, refrigerators, washers and dryers. We can do furniture like couches, loungers. In the background, you can see that we're going to be taking a mattress and box springs as well. If you need your junk hauled away, go to djunk.com and give us a call.